Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a really quick update today. I've not been doing any work on the N scale. As you can see, it's as I left it before. I've been doing some work on the G scale in developing my idea for this little corner here. So I store all the G scale electronics, and the control station sits behind that. So I wanted something I could remove easily, which this does remove. So I spent the last few days making basically take like an angled concrete base, like you see in some parts of, actually I've seen them in Germany actually, and then have a brick wall on top, and then some sort of a messy kind of rugged rock situation sitting on top. I don't know if you can see that. So, because I was trying to find ways of blending in the N scale with the G scale. So, and as you can see here, I developed this idea a bit further. So it's going to be an engine facility, or like a little sort of countryside maintenance facility for small steam engines. And the idea is it's kind of carved out of rock, like from the hillside. And then they've just used, I don't know, old-fashioned thick breeze blocks to turn it into an engine facility. So as I carve it, I'm putting a white base coat on everything before I do the colors. So I drew this out yesterday and made a mistake, so I've had to fill it there and fill it there, but that's fine, that'll work out okay. And as for color, I don't know, I mean, I might do something like the red brick or something like this dark gray brick. Yeah, we'll see. I think I might do that dark gray and that red. I don't know, we'll see how it works out. And then the idea is I've got this little base in here of just thin foam, and so obviously I need to buy a turnout, a left-hand turnout, and a couple of 300mm straights. And then when the track goes into here, I'll sort of countersink it. So whether I extend it with like a wooden shed situation, I'm not too sure. We'll see how that develops. So, but anyway, that's it. Like I said, I think I told you before, I was looking for a Pola or a Pico building, and nothing really fit. It just wasn't quite right how it, to blend it in with the mountain section over there or the hillside. So I've done this. And the great thing is this is really cheap because it's all blue foam. I think I've got about a $5's worth of materials into it, and just my time, really. So that's it. Yeah. Hope you like it. This section here, this little bridge, sorry, not bridge, little tunnel, I don't think I'll do that brick. I think I'm going to make that like cut out rock, like they've cut into the rock to make a tunnel. And same as this one here as well. So, and I've trimmed this out and countersunk it a little bit further back just to make it blend in. But I think it'll blend in better if this is all sort of like rock and same as this. I think it'll just look a bit better. So this is not the final color, I'm going to do lots of shading and all kinds of stuff. So, but I just need to get it all built and cut and carved everything first. And same as this section up here, I'll have to sort of turn it into a hillside, because I want to, for the N scale trains, when they pass around the back of that, I want it slightly mountainy. I don't know, we'll see. Roof wise, I might have some funny little tiles from somewhere. I'm not too sure what I'm going to use on that. Don't know. Anyway, I'm here for another couple of weeks yet before I go back to the boat, so I might have time for one more video update. Anyway, wishing you all a great Christmas or holiday season. Take care of yourselves, enjoy the trains, and yeah, all the best. Thanks for watching.